Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the praise and worship song, 10,000 Reasons, Bless the Lord. Very easy worship song to learn. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord chart to this song and print that out and follow along as we learn this song together. So let's get started. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I worship Your holy name. Okay, that's the chorus to 10,000 Reasons, Bless the Lord. Okay, the chords used to play this song is G major, D major, A major, and B minor. And I'll show you a couple of ways to play this chord. So let's take a quick review on how to play each one of these chords. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 6th string of the 3rd fret, and then your 4th finger or your little finger on the very bottom E string, also on the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. This is G major. Okay, to play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, and then your 3rd finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. Strum the bottom 4 strings. This is D major. Okay, and then to play A major, what I do is bar across strings 2, 3, and 4 with my middle finger, keeping the very bottom E string open, and the top E string, don't strum it, but strum the bottom 4 strings. Or you can play A major with your fingers in a row, fingers number 1, 2, and 3 all on the 2nd fret. Or you can place finger number 1 on the 3rd string, and then finger number 2 on the 4th string, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string, all on the 2nd fret, and strum the bottom 4 strings. But I just simply use the bar, it's much easier. Okay? Then the last chord needed to play the song is B minor. Now I use the bar chord primarily for B minor. It's the same shape, as you notice, as like A minor down here, or E major. But A minor, you just simply go up 2 frets, and then bar your 1st finger across all the strings, and then strum all strings is B minor. Or if you just want to keep this shape and not bar all the strings, just simply take finger number 1 and put it on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. This is just kind of an open way to play B minor. So you can use that or bar across all strings. B minor. Okay, the strumming pattern for this song is just a simple 4/4 timing, 4 beats per measure, and I'll just keep it simple by strumming down and up strokes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Okay, let's look at the chord progression for the verse. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. Okay, so on that oh my soul, you're playing G, A, and B minor on each word. So it's bless the G, D major, A major, soul is B minor, worship G major, holy D major, A major, major. Okay? So let's sing that through one more time, okay? Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I'll worship your holy name. Okay, now let's look at the first verse. The sun comes up. It's a new day dawning. Okay, it's basically the same chord pattern there. Okay. The sun comes up. It's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me. This you want to play it through just a couple of measures. Just hold on before me. Just hold on to the B minor. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing on the very end. Okay, whatever may pass and whatever lies before me. Let me be singing when the evening comes. And then it goes back into the chorus again. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Okay, so that's not too hard. It's just basically the same chord pattern, other than you're holding it out a couple of times on that. So let's look at the second verse. You're rich in love. You're rich in love, and you're slow to anger. Your name is great, and your heart is kind. For all your goodness, I will keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. Then it goes into the chorus. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I'll worship your holy name. Okay, very easy song to learn. It has about 5 verses in all on this song, and you can sing the chorus, between each verse or as many times as you would like. But very worshipful, praise and worship song. Okay, if you like this lesson, be sure and hit the like button. That lets me know that you're enjoying these lessons. Also, if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligations. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Appreciate everybody viewing today. Appreciate your support. So have a great day. God bless you.